Hello. Uh, so what you just saw was a glimpse into the relationship that I've had with this motorcycle. And although this isn't the first motorcycle that I've owned, this is definitely the motorcycle that made me fall in love with motorcycling. And in the last decade that I've had it, I've had my share of adventures on it and my share of learnings and experiences on it. But as you could see, the current situation that it is in is not something that I would have ever foreseen or ever imagined would happen. But sadly, that's where we are. And I'm going to turn that around. Mm, and I'm also going to try and use it as an opportunity to learn more about how motorcycles work. And I'm going to do that uh, by taking this bike apart completely and then rebuilding it part by part, learning about how what works on a motorcycle as I go. So that is the idea. And that is what this first series of videos is going to be about. I'm going to divide this first series of videos into phases. Phase 1 is further going to be divided into 4 stages. And stage 1 is when I'll take this motorcycle apart. Stage 2 is when I'll clean everything, fix everything, and learn about how what works on the bike. Stage 3 is going to be putting it back together. And stage 4 is when I'll give it some upgrades. Stage 3 and 4 will, I'm hoping, work in tandem with each other. And each stage is then going to be further divided into chapters. Uh, Stage 1 would have chapter 1, which is going to be an introduction video, which is this video. Then it would have chapter 2, where I'll start dismantling the bike. Uh, I'll dismantle the body panels first, and then I'll dismantle some other tidbits that I've put on the bike, and then the headlight, tank, etc. In the third chapter, I'll continue dismantling, take out the fluids, chain, etc. So you get the idea. The first stage is going to be about dismantling, and by the end of it, I would have taken the bike completely apart. Uh, that is all that I've planned till now. I have a rough idea about phase 2, where I'll divide it in 2 stages. Stage 1, I'll learn about how to ride motorcycles again. I believe I'm hoping to take it on the track and ride it on the track. Mm, Learn how to ride a bike on a track. And then again, towards the end of the series, I'm planning to go on adventures again on this bike. So yeah, that is the idea behind creating this channel, and I am hoping I'll be able to see it through. And by the end of it, I would have learned things that I don't know yet, and by sharing them with whoever is interested, I would have added some value to their life. So yeah, that is it. I'm going to follow this up with a montage of images of my memories that I've with this bike. Thank you.